guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited. I want to show you what I bought on Black Friday. I bought a Cricut Air Explorer. I'm so excited. We always go Black Friday shopping, my husband and I, and we had been in several stores, and we just popped into Michael's really just to see, you know, what they had. And they had their Cricut Air 2 Explorer on sale. It was either $129. I know it wasn't $196 because I bought something else, some other things, and we left with a total of $186. So I got a really good deal on it. I don't remember how much it was. But now Michael's, and this isn't sponsored or anything, Michael's is still having a sale on their Cricut. Not as good as what I got, but they're having it, I think it's like $196, which is still a pretty good deal if you're interested in the Cricut Air 2 Explorer. Now they do have the Maker out now, but it's much more expensive, but it does do a lot. So let me show you my box. I have the Cricut out here on the counter, but I got this really pretty blue. It's like a purplish blue. I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, so and let me show you what it comes with, and then I'll take the camera down closer and let you see the features. And what I'm planning on doing is like starting a new series on my channel once a week or once every 2 weeks. Learn the Cricut Air Explorer 2 with me, because I really don't know much about it at all. And I thought it might be fun to see what we could do and see how easy it is to learn it. Now I've just taken this right out of the box. I haven't played with it at all. And so let me show you what it comes with. Okay, it comes with this little cutting mat. And from my little book that I just looked at, this is, I think they call it the light cutting mat, okay? So it comes with one of those. It comes with one of their pens, and it's the fine point. And it comes with your power supply. And then it comes with your adapter for your computer. Then it comes with some cardstock to make your first project, which I think is fun. And then, like I said, you get your Cricut Explore Air 2. I didn't even say it right. You get that book. And it just tells you everything that you need to get started is in here. Tells you about the library, like Cricut Design Space, things like that, where everything is and what's included in your box. And you also get a Cricut Access trial membership, and that lets you get into, I mean, they already have a bunch of different fonts and designs that are free, but with this Access, you can get more, or you can pay like $1.99 or 99 cents and purchase them. I don't know that I'm going to join the membership, probably won't. And then there's 50 ready to make projects, and there's materials for your first project, like I said. And then it tells you how to use it right here, like what all the buttons are. And it goes over like how you make some different things. And it goes all about their design space. And that's where the software that you can, and this is Bluetooth compatible too. I mean, that's what it does. You can hook it to your computer, or you can use Bluetooth, which I love. But design space is where you're going to go in and actually make your designs. So I think that's good, and it just tells you how to design, prepare your mats, how you make things. It's really informative and about the Cricut Access and how that you have access to their library of tons of things, from Anna Griffin to Disney to, you can even make your own images and download them. I really like that idea. And it just goes over like the designer images are the ones with like Anna Griffin or Disney, and then the Cricut images are the ones they've designed, and then the licensed images would be like Disney, okay? And then it just goes over the different fonts and shows you little projects you can make. I'm so excited, and goes over these cards, and it explains that there's different fonts that you can just cut out, or you can cut and write with this pen. So I thought that was very interesting. And it just shows different projects that you can make. And it talks about the iron-ons. And then it goes over the fine point blades. And then like a little scoring stylus. I'm hoping Santa will bring me some things for Christmas. And then it goes over the different pens, the fine, and then the medium, and then the calligraphy pen. I'd love to have the calligraphy pen. And then the different types of mats. The light grip mat is what it came with. And then you have a standard grip mat, strong grip mat, and fabric grip mat. And it tells you what you use all those different ones for. And then it gives you a little quick reference, how to load the pins, how to take it out, how to open it, how to change your cutting tool if you need to, your blade, and then it goes how to actually prepare and load the mat, and then removing paper or cardstock from the mat. And then it has some more just little quick references things, but I thought that was really nice. So this is everything that comes when you just unbox your Cricut Explore Air 2, okay? So I'm gonna move the camera and just show you up close, and then I think we might actually try to make our first project right out of the box. I'll be right back. Okay, first we're gonna plug this in, and it plugs in right here in the back, okay? Then I'm just gonna run this over here to my electric, okay? So that much is done. Okay, now I'm gonna get my iPad, and you can put it on your phone or your iPad. And I downloaded the Cricut Design app right here, okay? And I just got it off the store, it was free. And now I'm just gonna hit New Machine Setup, and then it just says, welcome to the Cricut family. Get started. I'm gonna click on Get Started. Okay, and it says create a Cricut ID is your username for everything you do with Cricut. So let me fix this, fill this out, and then I'll be right back. I just set up my password and my account, and now it just says to power on the machine and plug the cord in. So I've plugged the cord in. Now I'm going to power on the machine, okay? And it says you have to have 10 inches of space in front and behind the machine, which I do. Okay, now, connect machine. Okay, so I have to go to my settings here on my iPad and turn on my Bluetooth, and it is on right now. And it is already connected to it. Okay, and I have it paired. It was very easy to do. My internet was just a little slow. Okay, so now it says hit New Project. And then that takes me to their design space. I hope you can see it. Okay, and so I'm gonna hit, I think I'm gonna hit that I want to do, gonna go home, hit New Project, then I'm gonna select, I think, an image. Oh, look, this is cute, okay? So I have blue, light blue, dark blue, and white cardstock. So what would I like to do? Maybe, I wonder if there's something I'm supposed to do automatically. I think I will do, let's look. You can see all these images. And right now we have a free trial of their Design Access. So, I think, oh, that is really pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, I think maybe I will do, I wonder if there was one that was just supposed to come up and you were to do it. But I guess we'll just try this. Okay, let's try this little Christmas tree. Okay. We're going to hit insert. And then it put it on there. And now we're just going to make it bigger. I hope I don't make it too big. And you just make it bigger by pulling on that, on this corner. And I think that might be too big. Maybe I better scale it back since I'm very new to this. Okay. I think I'll try that size right there. Then I'm going to put my paper. What you do is you peel this back and you keep this for later. And we're just going to stick this on here. I don't know what's going to come up and what is not going to come up. I'm being totally honest. I really don't know. We're going to have to just see. So I'm going to put this right here, stick that down. This may have not been the project that we were supposed to do. I'm not sure about that. I'm going to put it on these grids because I'm assuming that's what you're supposed to do. Okay, then we're going to go in here and look at load, how we load it. Okay, so we've peeled that back, place material on grid, okay, and then when prompted, position the mat underneath mat guides, keeping the mat pushed firmly. Okay, so what you do is it has little slots right here. You put it in here, then we're going to feed this, and I'm going to hit make it. Okay, it just cut this out. I know I did a few things wrong because like I said, I just opened this and turned it on and did it. But I think it's very easy learning curve. I really think that's cute. And you do get the free access for a month, so that is good. But I did purchase a few things. Now with the free access, once your limited time's up, you don't get any more access unless you become a member. But if you purchase this for like 99 cents or $1.99, you can use it over and over and it's yours. It doesn't matter. So, but this one was free, but I did purchase 2 other things. I hope my camera didn't stop filming. I have a feeling that it did. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.